Hi Jay, DM here with you, and if you watch all my reviews, maybe not all of them because some of them are different products. Like I usually do retro tech and vintage tech, and some of you are interested in that. Sometimes I test like as seen on TV products, and one of them I recently tested was the Flex Seal on my pool, doing a patch in one of my previous videos. Testing out yet another newer product, but maybe could be considered vintage because it has been out for I think at least 3 or 4 years, maybe more, and it is called Flex Paste. And somehow Flex Seal saw it, and I was like, that's cool. So they offered to send me a care package. So let me clarify on when they said, you know, give me your address, we're going to send you a care package. And I'm like, okay, cool, some Flex Seal products. But there is no disrespect on Flex Seal intended. I actually had pure joy when I opened this up because my laughter became almost crying because I thought it was just so genuine. And you know, I'm not becoming a sponsor of them, and they're not becoming a sponsor of the channel, at least yet. You know, if they did, that's fine. I don't yeah. Hey, I'll take any sponsors I can get. But yeah, they sent me this care package, and complete, sealed with the Flex Seal tape on the package, which is, oh man, that is just, oh, I'm probably not gonna be able to stop laughing. But let's see what's in here. All this stuff, all this paper, and yeah, thank you for using paper, not those styrofoam peanuts. But oh, first thing I see in the box here is, and I did open this box, so I kind of know what's in here because I had to kind of preview it, but is a Flex Seal koozie. And I gotta be honest with you, I have collected these and had them over the years, but this one is actually like well made. I can't deny that one bit. It's thick. It looks like it would hold up, and you know, keep your adult beverage, or you know, not into that, and Coke or Sprite or whatever. And well, they're not sponsors, but very cool. But yeah, definitely pimping the product there. But it doesn't stop there. No, there's plenty of swag in here, and a Flex Seal grocery bag. So I mean, this is just genius. I don't know what to say on some of the stuff, and I just wanted to show this. I had to share it because it was like, I did this channel, I did not expect the response I got, and I don't have a lot of viewers, I don't have a lot of subscribers. Please do, if you can, subscribe, or you know, let people know about it. But let's just keep moving on. A pair of sunglasses, and yeah, and I can know how close I can get with the lighting out here because this is late at night. Yeah, it's branded Flex Seal sunglasses. So maybe these will be collector's items one day, who knows. But that is just great. That doesn't stop there. I got a t-shirt, and I haven't opened it yet, but yeah, there's the Flex Seal spokesman, or I don't know if he invented it, or I'm not clear on it. Sorry, Flex Seal, but and no disrespect whatsoever, but I honestly think this is just totally friggin' great. I'm just like, okay, like, yeah, sure, yeah, I'll throw it on, and maybe one of my videos you'll see it. So what else we got in here? Well, this one kind of confused me because it's actually hand sanitizer, and with, you know, things going on the last couple of years and sanitizing your hands or whatever. But if you look at the bottle, it's actually empty, but it is branded Flex Seal. So obviously maybe they should have used Flex Seal to seal this bottle, because obviously it leaked out, and maybe something with a cap or the distributor they use. But still got the carabiner here, and yeah, I can feel it leaking out. Actually, it's actually on my hand. So, and it's something with a cap. Maybe when shipping, maybe got cracked or something, being jostled around. But totally great. And a pen. Yeah, I haven't tried the pen yet, but yeah, I got a Flex Seal pen here. Very cool. Maybe these will be collector's items one day. That, I mean, this is all. I mean, and on so many levels. I mean, some people will be watching this video like, no, I'm tuning out. Like, but. What the hell is this? I can't even, I don't know where to go with this. I have nothing on this. This is a sticker sheet. These are stickers. So, yeah, there you go. These are stickers. So, yeah, if you want to have some Flex Seal stickers, or I want to put them somewhere on my camera or whatever. But I can't. What is this? Flex Seal. It seals everything. I don't know what to do. It's like seal the box back up. It's full of swag. But no disrespect. It's just, oh God, what is this? Oh man, I feel like LG breaking down right now on the whole thing with the new Adobe stuff that you could make the face go weird and whatever. But I mean, this. Honestly, this made, I've been having a rough few months, but this made my day. People may look at this like, oh God, it's a bunch of just like swag, and I'm like, no, this is just great. I mean, I appreciate them sending this, and hey, I made a video out of it, and I get a Flex Seal bag, and I wonder if it's made out of Flex Seal. No, it looks like a standard grocery bag, but it would have been interesting if it was made out of Flex Seal in and of itself. But yeah, I don't really have anything else for this video, and I just wanted to share this with you, and I really appreciate them sending this to me, because this made for a great video. And yes, they do make some great products, and yeah, some of them people had issues with it, whatever, but it's one of those things that it just depends on how you use it and what the circumstances are. It's just like anything else. I mean, I've used different products over the years through Home Depot and Lowe's and whatever, and had great success with them. But then other products that ain't even tried and true, products like 3M and stuff like that. But I thank you, Flex Seal, because this was just awesome. We'll see you next time on IJDM. I promise we'll go back more into retro technology and vintage technology as I did the last few videos. But I just wanted to share this with my viewers, and just show that I honestly believe this is a sense of humor thing. Because the care package, I'm thinking, oh, I can try some other stuff out that they have. But the fact that, oh man, they use, it's like, that's just great. Anyhow, we'll see you next time. Hit that subscribe button, and that's it for now.